The IGO Cam 70R is a dual-function dashcam for those drivers that require more than one camera. It features a reverse camera, giving you a dual camera setup with 2-channel recording. The additional rear-facing camera means you have greater coverage, recording all action on the road, in front of and behind the vehicle. Video is captured and recorded at 2.7K on the front camera and Full HD 1080p on the rear camera. The 2.7-inch LCD colour screen for playback and menu setup gives you maximum screen size to look at. An ultra-wide view 150-degree lens adds to the field of vision available and provides an even greater chance of catching all the action. A GPS antenna inside the mount enables geotagging, recording the location and speed of the vehicle, and a large speedo display for quick and easy reading of the current speed with minimum driver distraction means you're always aware of the speed being travelled. Built-in speed and red light camera warnings alert you to any upcoming fixed speed or red light cameras, and a lane departure warning gives a visual and audio alert when the vehicle drifts over lane markings. This lane departure warning system has been designed to prompt long journey motorists and drivers prone to fatigue, such as truck drivers, to take adequate breaks and avoid mishaps. A headlight low lux sensor detects low external lighting conditions and alerts the driver to turn on the headlights. If you get too close to the vehicle in front of you, a built-in advanced driver assistance system in the IGO Cam 70R alerts you of a potentially dangerous situation so that you can take action and back off to keep yourself at a safe distance. Finally, what makes this dashcam so special is the Wi-Fi function, allowing you to directly transfer footage, preview, and even record via your smartphone or tablet using the free Uniden app for the dashcam. This is a handy feature, as you don't have to take the micro SD card in and out to retrieve footage, and it can be done while in the car after each event or journey. Now that's smart. Capture the facts, not an opinion, and give yourself peace of mind with the IGO Cam 70R in-car dashcam from Uniden, leaders in in-car smart technology.